Assalamu alaikum. If you are interested in knowing recipe for success, I shall tell you three components. First one is time management. If you are able to manage your time, manage your hours successfully and efficiently, you are certainly going to succeed. Because time management and self-management is one of the hardest things, I think, in life. So focus on your time and focus on your productivity. The second component is you must be self-starting. You must have an attitude that shows that you are self-start. You don't need impetus or you don't need input from outside world to start, to take initiative, to take a project, and you must be self-start, not the custard. And the third component is curiosity for learning, passion for learning. You must have passion for learning. You must have some desire to grow intellectually, spiritually, physically. If you have these three components, first is time management, self-start, and the third is curiosity for learning, then you have recipe for success, I think. This is a very, very short kind of statement for success and short formula for success. Thank you.